In this video, you will learn step by step how you can invest in the S&P 500 on Vanguard. So the first thing we need to do once we have logged in and created our Vanguard account, once we log into our Vanguard account, we want to head over to the left-hand sidebar here, scroll down, select Invest Now, or we can also click on Investments. Once we click on Investments, you will then see any investments that you do have, and you will also see any available cash. Now, what we need to do is simply go over, select the Invest button. That will then bring you over to here, and you want to choose whether you want the next available price or a live price. So if you click on Invest, you want to select one of these. As you can see, what I will do is I will select next available price. From here, if we go down, you will then be able to click on Add More Investments. And then I want to go down and go to Equity Funds. Click on the plus icon. That will then give you a whole list of all the equity funds available on Vanguard. If we scroll down to USA, so we've got UK here. If you keep scrolling down towards the bottom, you will then see an option for USA. And here we have S&P 500 ETF accumulating VUAG. So what accumulating means is that any dividends that would have been paid to you automatically get reinvested into the S&P 500, and this will accumulate and compound over time. So what you need to do is enter in the amount that you want to invest in here. Once you do that, you can then click on Next at the bottom. And then from here, you can go ahead and select your payment method. And then once you select your payment method, you can then click on Submit down at the bottom. And then once you click on Submit, you will then get a confirmation email once the investment has been made into the S&P 500. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can invest into the S&P 500 on Vanguard. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.